Get your clips ready. Watch this part closely. Add a text layer with CC JAWS plus T. Set scale to 30. Apply fade up words effect. Add a black solid above the pre-comp. Split the layer. Add the CC JAWS effect. Now, see, the subject isn't centered. Even when we focus CC JAWS, it's misaligned. So let's fix that. Pre-comp the layer again. Delete CC JAWS. Split the pre-comp. Adjust the subject to center. Reapply CC JAWS. On the null, animate scale. Add your color correction. Finally, add white solid and animate opacity from 100 to 0.